Okay, how to translate this into mathematical equations? Okay, we have here number 1, 9 times the sum of A and B. So that means you're gonna write 9. And then times means multiply. So we can use close and open parentheses. Or which do you prepare? Okay, the sum of A and B. So we're gonna write A, then B. So if we say sum, that means we have to add. So we're gonna write plus. So 9 times the sum of A and B is like this. Okay, next the product of S and T increased by 4. Okay, if we say product, that means we have to multiply. So therefore we have to multiply S and T. So that would be like this, S times T. So increase by 4. Therefore we have to put brackets first. Okay, increase means plus. So we're gonna write plus, then 4. Next we have 5 times B. Okay, 5 times B. Therefore we have 5. Okay, times. So that means we have to multiply then B. How about 4 and 5? Your turn.